If you want bigger, sleeve-stretching arms, stop doing endless bicep curls. The real secret to massive arms? It's the triceps. What most beginners don't realize is this: triceps make up nearly 2/3 of your upper arm. That's right. If your arm isn't growing, it's probably not because your biceps are undertrained. It's because you've been ignoring your triceps. Today, I'm going to show you the only 3 dumbbell exercises you need to grow powerful, well-defined triceps without stepping foot in a fancy gym. This workout is perfect whether you're training at home or at a commercial gym with limited equipment. But before we get to the exercises, you need to understand the muscle you're training. The triceps has 3 heads. That's where the name comes from: the long head, lateral head, and medial head. Each one activates differently depending on the angle of your arms. And unless you hit all 3 properly, you're never going to get that full, rounded triceps look. Let's start with the first dumbbell move that targets the long head, the biggest part of the triceps that gives you that thick, muscular look from behind. Exercise 1. Dumbbell lying triceps extensions. Lie down on a bench or a mat. Hold a single dumbbell with both hands, gripping one end like a triangle. Extend your arms straight above your chest. Now, slowly bend your elbows to bring the dumbbell down toward your forehead. Pause for a second, then extend back up. Here's the key: keep your elbows tight and pointed forward, not flared out. This ensures you're stretching and squeezing the long head through the full range of motion. Go slow on the way down. Take about 2 to 3 seconds. This time, under tension creates deeper muscle activation. Do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Choose a weight that challenges you by the last 2 reps without forcing you to break form. Avoid this mistake. If your elbows are drifting or you're moving your shoulders, you're shifting the load away from the triceps. Keep everything locked in. Focus on the stretch and the squeeze. Now let's move to the next essential dumbbell movement. This one lights up the lateral head, giving your arms that horseshoe shape. Exercise 2. Dumbbell kickbacks. This one's all about precision. Grab a light dumbbell, hinge forward at the hips until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Keep your spine flat and bend your elbow at 90 degrees. Your upper arm should be locked in place and parallel to your body. Now, extend your arms straight back, squeezing the triceps at the top of the movement. Hold for a second, then slowly return to the starting position. This is a small movement, but don't underestimate it. The lateral head activates best when your upper arm is elevated and locked in place. And because you're resisting gravity throughout, the burn is real. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per arm. If you can't control the dumbbell smoothly through each rep, drop the weight. Don't swing the weight or turn it into a shoulder movement. Your elbow should act like a hinge. Only the forearm should move. If you do this one right, you'll feel the back of your arms pumping like crazy. And now, we're just one move away from full triceps domination. Exercise 3. Seated overhead, dumbbell triceps extensions. This move targets the medial head, which adds that dense, full look to your arms, especially when viewed from behind. Sit on a bench with back support. Grab one dumbbell with both hands and lift it overhead. Your palms should be facing upward, gripping the top end of the dumbbell. Elbows should be tight and facing forward. From here, lower the weight behind your head by bending your elbows. Then extend back up to the starting position. It's super important here to keep your elbows close to your head. If they flare out, you're missing the point of the movement. Go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Use a moderate weight. This is more about control and tension than brute force. Control the descent. Take 2 to 3 seconds to lower the weight and 1 to 2 seconds to lift it. That time under tension is key for hypertrophy. Here's a powerful tip. Once you hit failure on your last set, do a few partial reps, just the top half of the range. This extra push fires up deep muscle fibers most people never train. And that's it. 3 movements, 1 pair of dumbbells, and a serious pump that will have your sleeves stretching in no time. But remember, training is only half the battle. If you're not recovering properly and feeding your muscles with enough protein, you're leaving gains on the table. Aim for at least 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. And no, you don't need to do 10 different exercises. Stick with what works. Master these 3 movements, stay consistent, and increase your weight over time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment with your city. We love seeing where our community is watching from. And if you want a complete dumbbell-only biceps workout to match your new triceps gains, check out the video popping up on your screen right now. See you in the next one. Stay strong.